Let's start with customary measurement. This is item 29. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces for this one. Now there's the metric one's also on there, but you just need those 5 pieces for item 29. Okay. You also have a pocket for these. And let me see, that is also marked item 29. It's on another page. So if you take all of those pieces and cut them out, this one's a little tedious to cut out. You have the 5 of these, and then you have this pocket that you will glue into your notebook. Now there's a reason I did this differently. So let's put this one together. I'm going to lay those out of the way and start with the pocket. You cut the pocket out so that it looks like this, and then we're going to fold 2 times. We're going to fold right here and right here. Okay, so I'm going to turn the pocket over and fold these in. Okay. And then, of course, I'm going to fold one more time right here. And I like to do all my folding first, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Okay, on these flaps that I've folded in, I'm going to put a dot or 2 of glue. So there and there, there and there, and then fold up to make the pocket. So this is what you have when you're done. This is what you will glue to your notebook. So find a piece. If you want to glue it sideways, that's fine, but I recommend, if possible, gluing it upright. Okay? Now you're going to need some space down here. So let's not glue that down just yet. Or you can, but let's glue it where you have room to write. Don't take up all your writing space, is what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to glue this down. You can even tape it if you want to really secure it. That would be fine. And then let's assemble the flip file. And that is this one. So I want you to find the one that says time. And when we get to class, we'll go through all of these and talk about them. Put a tiny dot of glue in the corners of this one, maybe one in the middle. And then on the top of that one, I want you to put the one that says wait. So you're only gluing a little tiny bit at the bottom so that these still lift up, okay? On the wait piece, let's put a tiny dot of glue. And then we're going to put capacity on top of that one. Just so. A tiny dot of glue. And then you guessed it, we're going to put distance. And then a tiny dot of glue, and let's put the cover piece on there. So that when you are finished, you have a flip file for customary measurement. Now I'm going to reinforce mine with tape just because I know how I will be using this piece, and I'll show you what I mean by that. We are not going to glue this piece down in the notebook. I want you to be able to have this in your hand and flip through there as needed. Otherwise, these are overwhelming. You get so many of these conversions, and it's impossible sometimes to figure out the one you want. So you know, if you are measuring customary measurement and weight, that you can flip to this one, and there they will be. All right. Then this piece when you're not using it will sit right down in here. Okay,